Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Common Sense Crypto Channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Casper. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Casper. It's going to be a relatively quick video. I want to break down what the Casper network is and how the token is utilized, and a few other things as well. So this comes from House of Chimera. Check them out over on Twitter. They have a lot of great information. What is Casper Network? Layer 1 blockchain. Casper Network is a proof of stake blockchain platform built to support enterprise and developer needs. We're going to talk a lot about enterprise in today's video. Scalability and security. Designed to provide high throughput and security without compromising decentralization. Developer friendly. Offers a user-friendly environment with tools and resources for building decentralized applications and smart contracts. Utilizes correct by construction Casper consensus protocol, which aims to improve security and reduce the energy consumption of blockchain networks. What I like about Casper is the fact we're still buying it very cheap. It definitely should be priced much higher than where it's sitting right now. And we're still very early. We beat Enterprise to the game. What makes Casper Network unique? Upgradable smart contracts. Casper Network allows developers to upgrade smart contracts without requiring a hard fork, improving flexibility and reducing risk. Predictable gas fees. The platform offers a stable and predictable fee structure, allowing users to estimate cost more accurately and avoid unexpected fees. Now, say for instance, you're an enterprise, you're coming on board to the network for the first time, you're just getting into blockchain. You want to make sure the fees are laid out there. You don't want to start coming on board and then all of a sudden find out there's all these hidden fees. That's game-changing for the Casper network because predictable fees, companies will absolutely love that. Enterprise-grade security. The network is designed to meet the high security needs of enterprises with a focus on privacy and compliance, and you want to make sure it's secure as well. You don't want to have problems down the road. Flexible consensus. Casper Network supports various consensus mechanisms, enabling organizations to customize their blockchain according to their specific requirements. But what about the token that me and you invest in? Well, you have staking and validation. Casper tokens are used for staking in the POS consensus mechanism, allowing holders to participate in securing the network and earning rewards. What I like about staking is it allows you to get passive income in the future. On top of that, it allows you to accumulate a lot of Casper along the way. Network governance. Token holders can participate in the governance of the Casper network, voting on proposals and shaping the platform's future development. It gives you a voice as well. Incentives for developers. The Casper Network offers grants and incentives to developers for building dApps and contributing to the ecosystem, which may involve Casper tokens. Fee payments. Casper tokens are used to pay transaction fees and smart contract execution cost on the network. So when enterprise really starts to come on board, they're going to have to hold the Casper tokens as well, right? Raising the price of Casper even higher in the future. Don't forget to follow our official media channels to stay up to date on the latest news within the Casper ecosystem and stake your Casper with us. Origin Stake is now live. Now you could go and choose to stake with them. They have a lot of information on their social media. Now I want to play this video and I want you to think about what she's talking about here because this is game-changing for Casper. Take a listen.
The public Casper network has provided what we believe at the capability level, the ability for companies that are using the blockchain technology to comply, right? So what can I do as a technologist to be future ready for future government enforcement or government actions or government regulation is to provide my customers as much flexibility they can have with the trust of the network, right? So that's how I feel we can contribute to being ready for future regulatory changes as they come. is to give customers the flexibility and the ability to adapt, to grow and learn as the environment changes.
What I think about there is the fact that Casper is getting ahead of regulations, looking out for their customers along the way. That is game changing as well. Then there's our vision. So you take a look and you see simple, upgradable, decentralized, built by builders for builders. Casper's designed to accelerate developer adoption of blockchain technology through WASM code, environment, and open programming standards. They are looking for as many builders to come on board as possible. That's how I know it's going to continue to grow out over time. And as more growth happens on the network, it will raise the price of Casper in the future as well. We're launching our new developer portal packed with resources, tools, and docs to help you build the next generation of dApps. And look at how simple they make this. They have all the documents right there for builders to come on board. They make it easy. And when something is easy, people will utilize it. I say it all the time. Casper Punks has launched a new series of digital collectibles on Casper. Some utilities include early access to project launches, engage your NFT in Ghost Town, design your own merch. What's great about NFTs is NFTs now have utility. It also ties the network in closer to the metaverse and gaming. There's so many options around that. And they're also improving the technology as well. NFTs and multi-signature. In the context of NFTs, Casper's multiple signature feature can prevent unauthorized changes to the ownership or other aspects of an NFT, ensuring optimal security. Now, if somebody that creates NFTs wants to build or wants to create NFTs, they want to have security around it. They don't want to lose their NFTs as well. That's why it's great to come to Casper. It has so many features that other networks just don't have. Then there's this, exploring blockchain's growing and diverse use cases. So we see tokenizing financial assets to make data more accessible and profitable. Tokenization is going to grow and expand very fast in the future. We're early on that as well. And I always said, if your network is tied into tokenization in any way, it's going to be game changing in the future. It's going to add so much value. But then they also talk about decentralizing supply chain and manufacturing management. Now, supply chain right now is broken. It's been since COVID hit. You order something from Amazon. Even with Amazon Prime, it's supposed to come in 2 days. Now it takes 2 weeks to a month sometimes. It's in need of major repair, and blockchain can fix that. And it's nice to see Casper talking about that as well. The wait is over. The new Casper Wallet by We Are Team Make is now live with unparalleled security and intuitive design. The only thing that they don't offer is staking, and that's one reason I don't like this wallet yet. Hopefully in the future, in an upgrade, they add staking as well. We'll have to wait and see what happens. The partnership between Google Cloud and crypto project Casper Labs. So Google has been exploring the potential of blockchain technology for several years. The company sees blockchain as a way to improve the transparency, security, and efficiency of various business processes. By partnering with Casper Labs, Google hopes to offer its customers a reliable and secure blockchain platform that can handle large-scale enterprise-level applications. Casper Labs has earned a reputation as a leading developer of enterprise-grade blockchain solutions. The company's blockchain platform is built on the Casper Consensus Protocol, designed to offer high scalability, low latency, and high security. So it looks like through Google, Casper's going to have a lot more enterprise come on board in the future. But again, we're not quite there yet. Once that happens, I think Casper is going to be sitting at a very high price, much higher than where it's sitting right now. I think it'll surpass its all-time high. And if a utility run happens, it will continue upward because there's a ton of utility around Casper as well. Take a good look at the current price. In the future, they will say, how did we not notice Casper? We missed it. Do you hold Casper? Partners are amazing, and we are not listed on Binance yet. We have a silent treasure. Soon we will be at the same table with the adults. I thought that was great, and I wanted to share it with all of you, because there's going to come a day where people look back and they'll notice which cryptos they missed out on, and Casper's going to be one of them, because there's a lot of people overlooking Casper right now. Later, once the price starts moving, watch how many people FOMO in. It happens every single time. But what was really changed my mind about Casper is that IBM partnership. That shows me that Casper is going to be part of the new financial system as well. And that's going to be huge in the future. Like I said, we're very early on this one. It's a hidden gem. And once it does start to really rise up in value, it's going to shock so many people in the crypto space. Wait and see. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.